this is how it looks like. Hi everyone, my name is Chanel. You are the kind family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Today is hair day and Saturday, so let's get started. And my mom's going to be doing my hair today.
So guys, to be honest, I don't know what I want to do, but I just know I want to do something. But this time around, I just want to do it with her natural hair, like no additional extension, nothing inside, just her hair. So first off, we've washed our hair. Yeah, I'm spreading my water mixed with leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna rub some on it. Hi guys, welcome to our live. If you're just joining for the very first time, please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and follow.
Hooray! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Follow.
Choop, choop, choop. So we're gonna be doing your natural hair, okay? Do you want it big or small?
Anyway.
Anyone? Okay. Okay guys, so she said she wants it anyway, anyhow. Let's begin. If you feel any pain, you let me know, okay? I want to give you guys a close-up so you guys get to see exactly what we are doing. I'm gonna grab this portion. When you're braiding, guys, you have to make sure that the lines are extremely neat. You have to be very careful when you are separating the whatever portions that you're about to braid. So this is the size of the hair that I'll be braiding. So while I've grabbed this section, I'm gonna make sure I brush it out so it's straight. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna put my edge control. There are different types of edge control out there. It depends on what your preference is, what you prefer to use. I have mine. If you want to know mine, let me know in the comment section. I will drop an update. Okay guys, so this is how it is. I'm gonna separate this into 3. So if you're a beginner and you want to braid, you're just gonna have the first one. You put your hands inside like this. You grab. Can you guys see that? You put another hand, you grab, you put, you grab, and you grab. So I want it to fall down like this. So I'm just gonna braid. You get one strand, you pass beneath, you put the other one on top, you pass the other one down, you just keep braiding, doing the same thing over and over. I don't know if it's clear enough, but if you can see the view clearly, please let me know in the comment section. Hi guys. Hi Anna. Hi Mason. No, we say that I should use Gorilla Glue. No guys, that's not healthy for your hair.
Gorilla Glue.
Yeah. I'm gonna use some beads at the end, guys. So this is how it looks like. Just because I want to show you guys how it's gonna look like, I'm gonna get one of this band. I will grab it under. I'm just gonna pass it all through until it is perfect. It's a very simple but beautiful style when it comes to kit. So this is how it's gonna look like, guys. I will put in some beads inside. Okay guys, this is the front section of the hair. I know it's easy for me to do an illustration. I'm just gonna separate everything into three. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna grab this. Can you guys see? I'm gonna put in my hands. This is my right hand inside. I'm gonna remove my right hand. I'll put in the left. I'm gonna grab. I take it off. I grab the next one. Grab the next one. So it depends on the direction that you want it to fall. I want it to fall in this direction. I'll just continue with this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy?
Yes, my love.
And remember that when me and Skylar and Shin made marshmallows?
I know. So they did something today, guys. We were sleeping. We just woke up and Shana had already made breakfast for her siblings. That was so thoughtful, but I wasn't really happy because
I messed up the kitchen.
yeah, she messed up the kitchen.
And I used some of the eggs.
Dang. She used part of the eggs that I wanted to use to make them something this morning. I didn't want her to do anything like breakfast because I know it's heavy. I didn't want her to be exhausted. You know, she's just
never
7.
exhausted.
You're never exhausted?
Especially when it's schoolwork.
Oh yeah. Yes guys, when it comes to schoolwork, y'all guys stop now. White? I don't think white is a good idea in front.
Mommy, my oven team is
Almost ready.
My oven team is almost ready. I added something.
You added something?
Yeah, she added sugar, she added her what's it called? Vanilla something? No, with powder.
Vanilla extra.
The powder, vanilla extra. And she used flour, milk, and I used oil, vanilla. Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, welcome, Mama.
So guys, this is the end results. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And that was the back. This is the front. And yeah.
Carefully.
But so you guys, this is how it looks like. So good.
Let me see your
And thank you, Mommy, for making my hair. God bless you.
You're welcome, baby. Oh, love you. Let me see the side.
And this is how my sister hair looks like. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And Mommy, you too.
Thank
Did a
you.
video. And sorry for stressing there.
It's okay. I love you guys.
Maybe one day we can pay you when we grow up.
Ooh, okra. Please, you better do.
Because I'm saving money. When I grow up, I can pay you.
Oh, you don't have to. I'm your mom. You're so cute. Okay.
I hope you guys have an amazing day. God bless you all. And peace. Hey, you guys, this is New Wig. Do you like my hair? And do you like my clothes? And today I'm going to a field trip. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And don't forget to let's go phone.